Hi there everyone, well it's me, Teacher Kevin, and we are back with another video.
Hi there everyone, well it's me, Teacher Kevin, and this time all you need to do then is to sit back, relax, listen, watch, and learn. The first thing that I want you to take away from today is this: you will have good days and you will also have bad days. But you will always learn something more, something new, and you will learn more overall on bad days than good days. You will learn more about yourself, you will learn more about life, love, leadership from different principles, and you will build your character. Well, my dear students, in this world, you must learn to accept life so that the world will accept you.
Alright, so this time my dear friends, I'm going to teach you how to actually set up a desktop computer. This is only for the beginners. Alright? There are just some few steps, few things that we need to know in setting up a desktop computer. Alright. As you can see, my dear friends, we have here our CPU and at the same time our monitor. We also have, of course, keyboard and of course a mouse. All we need to do then, at the back of your CPU or some of this one, in other CPUs they are being placed in front or inside, top or bottom. Alright? And all we need to do then is to plug in the different cables that we have here. We have the AC power adapter and more. Alright? Actually, you can easily determine where is the particular port in which we may plug in the different cables. Alright? For example, this one, there are 3 holes in it. There are 3 holes in this part and there are 3 holes in this part, and it means this is the part where we're going to plug this one in. Right? So let's plug this one in. There you go. Then after this one, how about this? Well, I'm doing this one. We have different type or brands of desktop or of CPU. We have different designs, but you can actually do this one on your own. Alright? All you need to do then is to look for the appropriate port in which you may plug the different cables. Okay? The next, this one, for this part. Right? There you go. Okay, we're done with that one. Next, of course, the HDMI or VGA cable which is needed to connect our CPU into our monitor. Right? As you can see, I've already plugged in the VGA cable in our monitor. All I need to do then is to plug this one into my CPU. Okay? Then, if it is a VGA powered, you can easily determine that one. This is how it looks. Right? But there are also some desktop which uses HDMI. Okay? And all we need to do then is to look for the port that is compatible with this one, VGA. There you go. Right? We must make sure that it fits in well. There you go. This is the cable or the connector from the CPU to the monitor. Alright. The next one, of course, we have our basic parts here. The keyboard and the mouse. There you go. Most of the keyboards and mouse are USB cable. Alright? It uses USB cable. But today I'm going to use a mouse with this round type, circle type of port. Alright? All you need to do is to look for the appropriate port where you will plug in this one. I'm gonna plug this one. This is for my mouse. Alright, there you go. Then after this one, this is for my keyboard. There are so many ports, my dear friends, that you can use. Alright, there you go. After setting that one up, we also have here another cable, my dear friends, which is also a part of my monitor, which serve as a separate cable to turn this monitor on. Alright? So we just need to plug this one in one of our CPU ports. Alright? There you go. Another one. There you go. That is the power cable for our monitor. Right? Let's place this one in. Now, I also have here, of course, an external camera, a webcam. Most of the webcams today, they are just a type of hardware which is a plug and play. Right? All we need to do is to plug this one, USB port again. Look for the USB port in your PC, desktop, in your CPU. There you go. Then plug this one in. Alright, there you go. We're set. This is our monitor. Right? We're gonna place the keyboard over there. Next, we're gonna place the webcam. Right. What else are the things that we need to do? Of course, we also have here a headphone. How to set up a headphone. Alright. Next thing, all you need to do then for this headphone, there are also some type of headphones that is USB powered, alright, or that uses USB cable. And there are still so many ports that we have here in front of my CPU. 2 for the microphone and for the headphone. There are some signs here. We're all set. Now, desktop computers, we commonly use LAN. Alright, LAN for us to have access on the internet. And I also have here a LAN. Going back at the back of our computer, my dear friends, we have here our LAN. And all we need to do then is to plug this one in on our LAN port. There's only one LAN port in any CPU. Or I just don't know if are there how many LAN ports already available with some other CPUs. Alright, so let's plug this one in. You can easily determine if what particular port are you going to insert this one or plug this one. Alright, so I have here. There you go. After that, okay. Then we are all set. Let's see if it's gonna work. Alright, the last step, my dear friends, is of course to look for the AC power adapter. Let's plug this one in one of our outlets and let's see if what will happen. There you go. It turns on. Then after that, it will automatically turn off. Just press the power button one time and it will turn on. There you go. This is just simply of how to set up a desktop computer. Well, actually anyone may set up this one on their own at home, especially students. Okay? Just look at the cables if where is the particular port where you may attach it or where you may plug it. Alright? That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've learned something and see you next time. Anyone can do this as long as you know how to follow instructions, as long as you know how to read instructions.